Autism and homeopathy. So, for the last 17 years of my practice in autism and homeopathy, I have seen many cases and I have seen many challenges which we have faced during treating autism. Sometimes the parents are impatient, sometimes they have unreasonable expectations. Many times, parents come to us if we can cure autism, and sometimes they are completely hopeless that anything is going to happen with homeopathic treatment. But as a homeopathic doctor, and for the past 25 years, I have been practicing homeopathy. These are the common aspects of our practice which we have seen. So we become a rational, unprejudiced physician, as has been told by a founder of homeopathy. So in cases where the parents come to us for cure, we make them understand about what is autism. Autism is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder. So we have to handle it. Till now, we do not know why autism happens in the first place. So we have to handle it. And if you run after curing the disorder, it is going to result in a lot of negative things. Like if the things don't go as we wish, then we may get demoralized. We may think homeopathy is not working. We may think therapies are not working. And many a times I have seen the parents getting so much frustrated that they have stopped altogether all the therapies, nutritional intervention, homeopathy, anything that was being given to the child as an intervention has been stopped. So the point is, one has to be very realistic about what is autism, understand it. If you want resources, you can always ask us, or you can ask the experts who are working in the field of autism so that you get proper knowledge about what is autism. So then you formulate a line of treatment, what therapies are needed. Go to a homeopathic doctor who is expert in the field of autism. Try to understand his perspective. What is he going to do? What are the things we can help? In autism, over a period of time, we have been helping hyperactivity, helping children to get ready for school, helping in behavioral problems, helping in oromotor sensitivity, helping in the overall comprehension and functional speech development with homeopathic medicines. I would say that homeopathy has been a great support in treating autism along with therapies and nutritional intervention. We strongly believe that an integrated approach for treatment of autism is the best suited for each individual. Talking about homeopathy, homeopathy is a completely individualized form of treatment where we have to understand the child or the individual who is coming for the treatment, understand the disease or disorder diagnosis, and then understand him as a person and then prescribe the medicine that suits the individual. So it is not that one A remedy is going to be given to all the children who come to us for autism treatment. So here we have to understand when your homeopathic doctor is taking a case, kindly be attentive and give the details properly. Many times I see patients getting distracted by their phone, getting distracted by small things. So we have to understand when your homeopath is giving his important time for your child, it is your duty to be focused and work for the betterment of the child. Phone calls can wait unless it's an emergency, but we have seen patients unnecessarily fiddling with their phones rather than concentrating on the treatment aspect. So when you go to a homeopath for giving case taking, go with a calm mind and go prepared to answer so that he can get all the information what is needed and which can benefit for the treatment of the child. So this is one step when we look into the treatment aspect with homeopathy. So once the case history is done, and in cases of online treatment where we see patients from other countries, we try to get the videos of the child so that we understand how the child is behaving, what he does. And also on video consultation, we see the child to understand him or her better. Many times I see patients uh, give good information. Many times when they're asked to fill the form, they'll write just the basic information. But in homeopathy, we need to know your child, how he is emotionally, how she is emotionally, What does she do or he does when he is angry? Does he throw things? Does he sulk? Does he or she go in a corner and sit? Does he or she like to be pacified, hugged, caressed? Or does music help? Or does going out help? So all these modalities of the child or of the individual have to be brought out. So when you are giving a homeopathic case history, it should be like a biography of yourself or of your child. So whatever you know about your child, you should mention and let your homeopath decide what is useful for him for the prescriptive totality and what is not. Your goal is to give the information, and his goal is to assimilate the information and see which remedy comes the best suited, what we call as simillimum, for the child. So once this medicine is given, we want to see some improvement in the child in the first 30 to 45 days of treatment. So some gradual improvement starts coming. In out of 100 cases, we say more than 90-95% kids have responded within this time frame. They have shown some signs of improvement. It may be a subtle improvement in their sleep. It may be the child is sleeping better. Like when we're treating acute cases, we don't go on waiting for eternity to see the child is getting better. So in those cases, we are giving acute remedies which are needed. Recently, we were treating a child who was so violent that he had broken all the furniture in his house and he was constrained to one room. So after treating him for around a week or two, the child is not violent now. The child is calmed down in a very simple manner by giving a simple homeopathic remedy which was suited for the child. If you don't give the remedy which is not suitable or which is not suited as per his individuality, those remedies are not going to help. So you may say homeopathy doesn't work, or homeopathy is just a placebo effect, or it acts very slow. So these are all myths about homeopathy. But when you give the right homeopathic medicine, it will definitely show improvement in these cases or in other cases also for that matter. So homeopathy is a very deep science where sound principles are there. But our aim as a patient or as a parent is to go with an open mind, give the information, don't run after the cure, even if there are many people who may claim that they can reverse autism or they can cure autism or they can do this or do that. But I think we should be realistic.